Hi, hello, namaste, adab, namaskaram everyone. We are going to learn few applications of vectors. In mechanics, work done F dot S, moment of force also known as a torque, which is R cross F, right? So, how to find it? Let us say one example. Force is given and he has given a AB. What is AB? Is B minus A. Then work done is nothing but F dot S, right? 12th example, let us see 12th example. They have given a force and we need to find the moment of force, which is nothing but a torque. So it is passing through A about the point O, so OA is nothing but A minus O. You'll simply find that. Clear, guys? So let us see how to do it. The applications of vectors in a geometry: to find the equation of a line passing through A bar and parallel to B bar is nothing but R bar is equal to A bar plus TB bar. T is some arbitrary constant. A bar B bar given, right? R is nothing but xi plus yj plus zk. Clear? Then vector equation of a line passing through 2 points A bar and B bar is nothing but R bar is equal to A bar plus T times of B minus A bar this time. Just remember, it is passing through 2 points, it's like T times of B bar minus A bar and plus A bar. Clear, guys? The vector equation of a plane passing through a point A and parallel to two given vectors B and C. Now this time 3 vectors have been given. It is passing through A bar and parallel to B bar and C bar. The same old thing, which is R bar is equal to A bar plus S times of B bar plus T times of C bar, because it is passing through A bar but parallel to B and C. Just remember, if it is parallel to B and C, it will be S times of that, T times of that. Clear? So if we want to define in terms of box ABC thing, so simply if it is passing through A bar and parallel to B bar and C bar is nothing but box RBC is equal to box ABC. Otherwise, just remember here R dot bracket B cross C plus C cross A plus A cross B all crosses and is equal to box ABC. Remember, is equal to box ABC, which is a constant, right? So R dot all the crosses is equal to box ABC. Otherwise, you can remember the formula which is underlined with the red color here. Right, guys? The vector equation of a plane passing through the A bar and perpendicular to N bar is nothing but R bar dot N bar is equal to A bar dot N bar. Clear? Just we are going to learn these things in the 3D geometry of vectors soon, so no need to worry about all these things. If you can remember this formula very well. Otherwise, no need to worry, we are going to revise these things soon. Cool? Alright, guys, 11th question. We are talking about the work done, right? The force is given, F bar, and we need to find the displacement. Sir, why not distance? Because we are talking about the vectors. A distance can be like this, but displacement definitely from a point A to point B. So how to do this? Let's say, anyway, F is given. What is the work done? Work done is nothing but F dot F, right? F is given. How to find the S is this one. Displacement is AB OB minus OA. You find it. So just a dot product of this one and this one. So let me explain again, because I have simply written here AB is nothing but B minus A, right? In a mathematical terms, OB minus OA bar, OB bar minus OA bar. So we'll find this. Just dot product between these two, guys. That's it. So what is the F? 4i plus j minus 3k dot, we have to put a bracket. So the S 4i plus 2j minus 2k, just dot product. 4i 4 4s I dot I is 1, right? 4i dot j is 0, 4i dot whatever the k terms is 0, so that's why only dot we will do. You remember, right? I is perpendicular to j and I is perpendicular to k. That means if they are two different, they are perpendicular, so the dot product is 0. Clear? I hope you remember, right? If A bar and B bar are perpendicular to each other, A dot B is equal to 0. Just remember that, because cos 90 is 0. Anyway, so j 1 into 2 minus plus 3 to the 6. Clear? This is a 16 plus 8, so 8 3s, right? 24. 24 joules or some water may be the units you are gonna get, right? This depends. Clear guys? So work done is 24 units. I hope it's clear. Alright, 11th question. They're asking to find the moment of force, which in general known as a torque. I hope you learned what is a torque in the physics. If you didn't, please go and learn and ask your physics teacher. Anyway, mathematically it is defined as the R cross F, right? Cross product. For mathematics, like whatever torque, whatever may be, in terms of dot product or cross product, that's it. So torque is a cross product of R cross F thing, right? So how to find the R? We need to know R is nothing but OA. The thing is passing through A, and about O, then it is nothing but OA, right? So a simple thing. I hope you know, right? If the work done, if the force is applied in this direction, and they are moving in this direction, something like that, right? Right hand thumb, the torque will be upward, something like that, right? So just learn that. Anyway, so R bar is OA. How to find the OA? Is nothing but A minus O, just 2I minus I minus J minus 2I minus 3I, 3K minus K, 2K. Clear? OA, I got it. Anyway, F they have given already, this one. So cross product between them, R cross F, is a moment of force. So we'll write here IJK will first write, then R values. Why? Because it is R here, right? So what was R value I got, which is this thing, right? I means 1, minus 3J means minus 3, 2K means 2. Force is nothing but 3I, but see, I have written here 3I plus K is nothing but 3I plus 0K plus 1K, right? So 3, 0, 1. I hope you know how to do this, right? So I plus 11J plus 9K, something like that you will get. Clear guys? Just check it. I'm not sure, but once you do this determinant thing, you will find the answer. I hope it's clear. Alright, so in the 3D geometry, we are going to learn the vector equation of a line which is passing through A bar, and parallel to B bar is nothing but A bar. R bar is equal to A bar plus T times of B bar. Okay, what is R, sir? Just remember this as Xi plus Yj plus Zk. Okay, what is A bar? They will give 2I plus 3J plus 7K. It is passing through 2I plus 3J plus 7K, are passing through 2, 3, 7, right? Parallel to, say, 7, 8, 9 means 7I passing through 7I plus 8J plus 9K. Clear guys? Then we need to simply put it this Xi plus Yj plus Zk is equal to A bar plus something. Got it? Okay, anyway, this is the equation parallel to A bar and passing through A bar and parallel to B bar. Clear guys? Parallel to B bar. So for example, to make you understand another one, if it is passing through M bar, and parallel to N bar, can you tell me the answer? Yes, R bar is equal to M bar plus some S times of N bar. That much simple. Just remember, R is always Xi plus Yj plus Za. If it is passing through 2 points, say A bar also and B bar also, it's possible, right? 2 points are like this, so a line can pass through this. Then R bar is equal to, anyway we'll take one vector A bar plus T times of B bar minus A bar. Okay, clear? Just remember like this. If it is passing through A bar and parallel to two vectors B bar and C bar, simple, A bar plus this times it is parallel to B bar and C bar. So what happens? This T times of B bar, some other arbitrary constant S times of C bar. It is passing through A bar and parallel to B bar, C bar, D bar, K bar, all the bars. Then A bar plus some arbitrary constant times of B bar, C bars. So then what if T comes and S comes in the, when we write all these things? Doesn't matter, man. Just remember that these are some arbitrary constants. Otherwise you can use some Greek letters, mu times of B bar and lambda times of C bar. You understand, right? So nobody will give that many, like it is passing through A bar and parallel to B bar, C bar, D bar, K bar, D bar, Z bar. No, nobody will give like that. It's maybe A bar and passing through B bar and C bar stuff. Clear guys? I hope it's clear. Then in the 3D geometry we are going to learn it for sure. Clear? I hope you understand.